Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you how I make my French crepes. I like to make these for breakfast and my kids love them so much. For the ingredient list and exact measurements, please check the description box below. I'm going to mix 250 grams of flour with the 50 grams of sugar. Then I will add a pinch of salt and mix. To that, I'm going to break 2 eggs. And mix. Now, I will slowly add the milk. I have here 500 milliliters of milk. You will need to mix until there are no lumps in your butter. You need to take your time and do this slowly. And guys, if you love my recipes, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. Then I will melt 50 grams of butter. And once done, I will add that to my butter and mix. I'm going to add some vanilla. This is optional, but it gives a nice taste to your crepes. Mix everything well and add in your blender. This will make your butter very smooth. Now that my butter is ready, I'm going to put it back in my bowl and let this rest in my fridge for at least 1 hour. Some days I even leave this for overnight. Now heat a non-stick pan and add a little bit of butter. Add a scoop of your butter and spread on your pan. Cook each side for 30 seconds and repeat the process until done. And your crepes are ready. You can eat them like this, or you can add some chocolate or honey and enjoy. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.